Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. Now I am going to explain AWS training and certification in machine learning platform. The duration will be 28 hours. It's provided by Amazon. It's enrolled free. You just want to sign in and create account and start learning. It will be helpful for students who are all freshers. They are not having a clear mind about studying machine learning, which will be helpful or everything they are providing here. The learning sector platform is all the learning sector. ALML, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, all three they are coding about introduction and the main courses. Curriculum department 90 minutes, foundation level they are providing. Don't miss this opportunity. Everything they are coding. What are the curriculum introduction to machine learning arts problem? And next one will be planning in machine learning project and learning about organization. And third one e-learning from e-learning business challenge. And fourth one will be process model CRP and AW stack. And on Weebly, machine learning and technology process they are coding. If you paid also, they won't give like this elaborately. If you don't miss it, and next one will be exploring the machine testing tools and the element of data science, machine learning structure, machine learning math, developing machine learning application, Amazon SageMaker bit not be a user image for ground touch, and they are coding deeply about this course. Last one only exam readiness AW specified. After you are finishing this 28 hours course, you may get the AW certificate. If you put it in your resume, it will be helpful for you. You studied in Udemy or Coursera, they won't give this much hours. 28 hours is very high when comparing to me. So many candidates paid and they are studying. It is a mass opportunity for every freshers. So study as much you can. It will be helpful for you in future. Thanks for watching this channel.